Specialty Mustang at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Listen to this. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 798. That's right, folks, 798 miles. Original. Performance white clear coat, black leather interior. Take a look at this front fascia. Of course, the blue Shelby stripes. Those are vinyl, those are not painted on. 5.4 liter dual overhead cam supercharged V8 500 horsepower. That's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Correct Shelby SVT wheels for this. Big Brembo brakes up front. Those are the Goodyear original tires. Now, before the tire police come after me, we're leaving those on there. Next person that wants to purchase this vehicle may want it collector purposes, want the original tires. If it's somebody else that wants to drive and put other tires on, hey, their choice. So just letting you know, that's the tires that are on there. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at all the still pictures. 507-386-1726, number to call. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We also have an open door policy, third-party inspectors. Maybe you can't make it to see this one yourself due to time or distance, not a problem. Want somebody to take a peek at it for you. Third-party inspectors welcome. And another thing I try to remind people, if you like high-performance cars, sports cars like this, maybe classics, maybe square body pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you might see come through here, see a video of it, so go ahead and subscribe. Keep an eye on cool cars. Let's take a look down the driver's side. Obviously, not really much of any surprises on this one with the low miles and condition of the car. There's also a copy of the window sticker, and this one did come with the GT500 Premier trim package as well as the Shaker 1000 system. Sirius satellite radio. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Let's look at this interior. I think we know what this is going to look like. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here in the driver's side, and literally seat looks like new. You'll also be able to see still pictures of the entire interior, the underside, engine bay, all of it. All right. Again, Shaker 1000 system right here. Miles are right there, 798. You can see that. Let me close my door. All right, let's reset here. 798. Take a look at the top of the dash. And let's go ahead.
Valentine?
Idea of the radio, the other warning lights. I guess what you'd expect with that kind of miles. Slip around the back so you hear this run. I have not noticed any modifications on this car. Sounds as it should. Of course, these really come alive under throttle, especially with that 5.4 liter dual overhead cam supercharged V8 heat extractor hood. Let's pause this one time. I'm going to pop the hood, and I also want you to remember, if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive down the road, show you how it drives out, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So stick around to the end. There's the underside of the hood. See how clean that hood liner is. This car's not been driven in inclement weather. There it is, 500 horsepower. Of course, these are hand built by pairs at SVT. End up with their signature on a little placard on the valve cover. A lot of bang for the buck. Fun car, 2007 Shelby GT500. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 with a 6-speed manual transmission and lots of power to play with. These cars are quite fun. You gotta give it just the right amount of gas, because you can break the tires loose and have lots of fun. All our gauges are working well. Oil pressure is good. Fuel's half full. Temperature under half on the gauge. Factory radio.
I once was lost, but now I'm just blind.
Radio works great. Nice quiet ride. All the modern amenities. This being a 2007. Feels like a low mile car. Very nice condition on the inside and the outside. Seats look nice, comfortable, bucket seats. If you see any flickering on the lights on the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate. The car is perfectly fine. The brakes work very good. Hugs the road nicely, doesn't lean much at all in the corner. White with blue stripes definitely stands out. Like I said, this car is really fun to drive. You definitely want to check out the pictures, or better yet, come see us at Unique Classic Cars in Mankato. Online at uniqueclassiccars.com.